Over the next few minutes, we will explain what information needs to be reported on T4 forms and we'll show you how to print these forms. T4 slips lists the employee earnings and tax information for the calendar year. You must submit the T4 slips to the Canadian federal government and to employees after each calendar year, usually by the end of February. T4 slips include employee and employer information, employment income before deductions, Canada Pension Plan or CPP, and Quebec Pension Plan QPP contributions, employment insurance or EI premiums, Quebec Parental Insurance Plan QPIP premiums, income tax deducted, and taxable benefits. You can file paper copies of T4 slips or you can file them electronically. In either case, you must always provide copies to your employees. If you're filing more than 50 slips, the Canadian Revenue Agency, or CRA, requires you to file the slips electronically. A T4 summary lists the total values from amounts reported on related T4 slips. It is submitted together with the T4 slips. Before you begin to print T4 slips, you should complete the two tasks listed next. On the income taxes screen from the payroll setup, your reporting ID must be listed for each EI rate you use. The program prints the reporting ID as the business number on the employer and CRA copies of the T4. Also, verify employees' information, including their social insurance numbers, SIN, first and last name, full address, and province of employment. Let's see how to print the T4 forms from Sage 300. From the Canadian Payroll module, go to Payroll Government Reports and select T4s. Select the payment year for which to process the forms and the form type. To print both the T4 form and the data, load your printer with blank paper and choose one of the plain paper options. To print the data on pre-printed T4 forms, load your printer with the pre-printed forms and choose one of the laser options. For our example, we will select Employees Plain Paper. The CPP, QPP, and EI balancing report lists only employees that are out of balance and includes the employee's gross pay, pensionable earnings, CPP, QPP deductions and calculations, and EI earnings and deductions. You could print the T4s for employees in a selection list or from a range. You could also select how to sort the T4 slips. Verify the employer name is correct. If needed, select any additional EI rates. After verifying all options, click Print. Note that the form includes the employee name, address, social insurance numbers, and earnings information. If you want to know more about which information is included in each box, you can go to the next page of the plain paper form or to the back of the pre-printed forms. All fields are explained there. You could also find more information in the Employer's Guide for filing the T4 slips and summary on the CRA website. Congratulations! You now know what information needs to be reported on T4 forms and how to print these forms.